2, 3, 4. Jamie told Billy something about Willie. Willie didn't want anybody to know. Word got spread like butter on bread. What should have been a molehill turned into a hole. Mountain of bullshit, Willie tried to fix it. Billy told Willie to take a walk. Mama's in the kitchen, baby's on the cell phone, bitching at daddy, come home, change the locks. Dogs bark and people talk. Dogs bark. Dogs bark and people they talk. Wolf told the bobcat, rabbit and the pack rat, sky's getting dark, something's going down. Said alligator, see y'all later. Noah's gonna get us to the high ground. Snake and the tiger spread it like a wildfire. Dinosaurs didn't understand the talk, got left behind. Others got in line in time to get into some big old box. Dogs bark and people talk. Dogs bark. Dogs bark and people they talk. Talk, talk. Even if you ain't got nothing to say, gonna open your big mouth anyway. Dogs bark. People talk. Moral to the story, just a fact of life. If you don't want it heard, don't say it at night. When you're drunk, mad, or just plain kidding, it's gonna get around an evolutionary given. Dogs bark. Dogs bark and people talk. Dogs bark. Dogs bark and people they talk. Talk, talk. Even if you ain't got nothing to say, gonna open your big mouth anyway. Dogs bark. People talk. Even if you ain't got nothing to say, gonna open your big mouth anyway. Dogs bark. People talk. People talk. Oh, people talk.